Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast about finding balance in your busy life every single day. Many people struggle with time management daily. They feel stressed about work, school, and personal time together. Today, we will learn simple ways to balance everything. These tips are easy to understand and use. I will speak slowly and use simple words. You can follow along and take notes if you want. Are you ready to learn about better balance? Great! Let us start this important conversation together now. Write down everything you need to do today. Include work tasks, study time, and fun activities too. A schedule helps you see your whole day clearly. You know exactly when to do each important thing. Use a notebook, phone, or computer for planning. Choose whatever tool feels easiest and most comfortable. Put the most important tasks first in morning. Your brain works best when you are fresh and rested. Leave some empty time between activities always. This gives you room if something takes longer than expected. Decide what is most important to you right now. Is it work projects, school grades, or family time? You cannot do everything perfectly every single day. Choose 2 or 3 things that matter most. Write your top 3 priorities on paper. Look at this list when you feel confused or overwhelmed. Say no to things that do not help. This protects your time for what really matters in life. Remember that priorities can change over time. What is important today might be different next month. Divide your day into blocks of time carefully. Give each block one main focus like work or study. Work for 2 hours, then study 1 hour. Take breaks between each block to rest your mind. During work time, only focus on work tasks. Do not check social media or think about school. During study time, put away work thoughts completely. Focus only on learning and doing homework assignments. This method helps your brain concentrate better. You get more done in less total time each day. Plan real breaks between work and study time. Do not just check your phone during these breaks. Stand up and walk around your room. Look out the window or do some simple stretching exercises. Talk to family or friends for a few minutes. Fresh air outside also helps you feel much better. Breaks help your brain rest and recover energy. You come back to work feeling fresh and ready. Without breaks, you get tired and make mistakes. Your work and study quality becomes much worse. Free time is just as important as work. You need time to relax, have fun, and be yourself. Do not let work or study fill up. Save at least 1 hour every day for things you enjoy. Turn off work emails after certain time daily. Your personal time should be completely yours to enjoy. Use free time for hobbies you love truly. This might be music, sports, games, or spending time outside. Free time helps you feel happy and relaxed. It gives you energy for tomorrow's work and study challenges. You cannot accept every invitation or request always. Learn to say no when you are too busy. Saying no protects your time and energy levels. It helps you focus on your most important goals. Be polite but firm when declining things. Say thank you but explain you cannot do it now. Practice saying no to small things first daily. This makes it easier when bigger requests come along. Remember that saying no to one thing means saying yes to something else that matters more. Good sleep is the foundation of balance. Go to bed at the same time every single night. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours nightly. Sleep helps your brain work better the next day. Put away phones and computers before bedtime always. The bright light makes it hard to sleep. A tired brain cannot balance work and study. You make poor decisions when you do not sleep. Good sleep makes everything else much easier. You have more energy for work, study, and fun activities. Balancing work, study, and free time takes practice. Start with 1 or 2 tips that feel right. Remember that perfect balance does not exist always. Some days will be busier than others, and okay. Be kind to yourself when things go wrong. Tomorrow is always a new chance to try again. These simple habits will help you feel better. You will have more success and happiness in life. Thank you for listening to today's show completely. Good luck finding your perfect balance starting right now.